Odogwu, my boy, yo.
Zege high chief.
From Odogwu to Odogwu.
Zege. So,
the love and unity among Igbos is something very beautiful. I'm telling you, this massive endorsement has been going on for quite a while now. I cannot even think of anybody who has not endorsed Odogwu bitters as one of the best herbal alcohol drink of the moment. And yes, Phyno also dropped his own endorsement to support Obi Cubana on the new Odogwu bitters. You know, it's a beautiful thing that things like this come up and all come outside to do that. Anyway, that's what I'll be sharing with you guys here in the video. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to drop a comment in the comment section. In the comment section, tell me your thoughts about the Love This Guy show among themselves and how Obi Cubana has managed to build this fame from himself and also monetize. He is monetizing it. He himself said this is just one out of the 5 products he's going to launch this year. Enjoy the video.
you don't find I'm resting. We're good in the West again. That's the good arrest.
Okay,
Odogwu to down.
Hey!
Odogwu to down.
From Odogwu to Odogwu, my boy, yo.
Zege high chief.
From Odogwu to Odogwu.
Zege. So,
Odogwu to down.
Odogwu to Odogwu.
Odogwu to Odogwu.
You better I can go see. You only have you Pentecost. Oh, we can give you. You Pentecost. So this is Odogwu in your palace and your wire. Kai. Yeah. Hi, Jibia. Odogwu bitters.
None of my mind I thought I juice.
Hello, my beautiful people of Port Harcourt. This is Obi Cubana. So I will be with my brothers Don Doroje at the Mix Lounge tomorrow in Pitaqua City, Port Harcourt. Port Harcourt, Odogwu is coming. See you guys tomorrow. Okay.